Welcome to another video. In this video we'll show you how to convert your date/time accurately using UTC mode. Let's say, for example, someone's in Mexico. They enter, they want to meet you 10 p.m. UK time. However, it picks up 10 p.m. Mexico time and converts it into something else within UK time. It can be very confusing. So the UTC mode is there to help you fix that issue. I'm going to show you how this works. So let's say I get full name and I'll get email field in here, and then the other field I'm going to do is date and time. I'm going to do the first one without the UTC mode, and then I'll do the second with the UTC mode. So here it is. These are my entries. Let's go and set up my push. Let's add object. Let's do contact. We'll map our fields. Let's refresh the list. Set mapping. Last name, first name, email. And then I've got a field called appointment date, which is the date time field, and we'll take the date time there. Alright, that's good to go. So let me show you my Salesforce. It's currently set in UK time zone, the Greenwich Mean Time. That's what it's set in. And currently in Mexico, it's 2:30. All right, so I'm in Mexico right now, so we'll shoot and show you how that works. If I go ahead and preview, and I'll go ahead and enter some data here. So one second, let me just move this down a bit. So it looks like a clean UI. Let's refresh. We'll call this one Mexico time test m@titan.com. And let's say I want to meet tomorrow, and we will do it AM, and we'll do 10 AM actually. This is what we'll do. We'll do 10 AM, and then I'll just go ahead and submit. Now it's going to push back to Salesforce, so let's see if that's created our record. And check the integration logs, and there is my record that's just been created. So there it's just been created. Let's see what time it's actually pushed it in. So I've chosen 10 AM, but what 10 AM to what? So here you can see it's pushed in for tomorrow, and it's pushed it in for 10. Okay, so that's what's happened there. And what I've entered here is 10 AM on the 20th, and that's come in. However, if I use UTC mode, let me show you how the UTC mode works. And if I click save, and now let's try that again and see what it does. Okay, time at time.com. I'm going to do exactly the same thing. 10:00. All right, AM. So click submit. Close. And then now let's see. So the Mexico time test is obviously coming at 10 AM Mexico time. But if I go UK now, you can see when in UK it's 4 o'clock. When in Mexico it's 10 AM, it's 4 o'clock in UK. All right, so we've converted the time. Previously, it was just coming in 10 AM regardless, right? So because obviously 10 AM in Mexico is not 10 AM in UK. It's 4 o'clock in UK. So we've converted that for you with the UTC mode. So previously, whatever you would put in would come in here just as is. And now when you flick on the UTC mode, it's going to come into Salesforce converted to the time zone that's set in your Salesforce org. So for me, it was set in UK, and you can now see that the appointment time is actually 4 o'clock tomorrow and not 10 AM tomorrow UK time, because that's not going to work. So this is how you do it. That's it's very, very simple. You just simply use your date time field, switch on UTC mode, and we will convert that time for you, push it directly to Salesforce.